Hello everybody and welcome to this video. I will be going through the ins and outs of Buffer and showing you how to schedule posts and what I'm writing about and providing articles that I want to post from the website Feedly. So as you can tell, I'm already connected to my Twitter account and my LinkedIn account. You can also connect to your Facebook and Instagram and much more. As you can tell, I wrote a short little snippet of what I have done so far this semester, and I'm going to show you how to schedule a post. So here, what you can do is see here what I wrote, and you go to schedule or settings, go to posting schedule, and then see all this comes up. So what you can do is you can exit out of all these really, so you don't confuse yourself on when this post will be posted. So I'm going to set my post for Saturday, and I'm going to do it for 10:30 in the morning. So there I have it, 10:30 in the morning, scheduled to be posted. And then I'm going to go to my LinkedIn, and I'm going to go back here. And again, this is what I wrote. I wrote about the most important thing I learned from reading about professional development. And I'm going to go here again into settings, posting schedule, and delete all of this so I don't confuse myself. And I'm going to do the same thing for posting on Saturday, but instead I'm going to do 10:45 a.m. And second 10:45 happens, it'll come on and be posted. So now I'm going to go. I've already picked out a couple of articles for Feedly that I want to post. Mostly I picked out things for social media that I'm going to post on my LinkedIn. So we have this. So I'm going to come here, get a copy, come back here, go to your LinkedIn, go to Tweet, and you come here, you can paste that, but what you see comes up already. So then you can go to add a queue, saving, click on it again to refresh, share now. Actually, you want to go to settings, post schedule. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a posting for Sunday at 10:30 a.m. I'm going to come to my Twitter, and I'm going to again go to an article I found on Bleacher Report. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to here, paste it here, print, not paste, then a little preview show. Then you go add queue, setting, post setting, and do the same thing. I'm going to add, and then I'm going to set the posting for 10:45 on Sunday. It's basically the ins and outs of uh, Buffer. It's pretty easy to navigate. Here are all my articles that I will be posting and scheduling to be posted on my Buffer account. As of that, it's a pretty easy website, not too hard. I think a lot of people should get involved with it. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you very much. Have a good time.